Professor Prince Osei-Wusu Adjei, currently at the Department of Geography and Rural Development. I am a human and development geographer, and so since December 2009, I have been working in the department here as a lecturer. The inaugural lecture is going to be on poverty. Generally, the topic is eradicating poverty in the age of sustainable development, the basic means approach. And for me, this topic is very crucial, not just for Ghana, but for global development. The first Millennium Development Goal was on eradicating poverty and hunger. And since 2015, we are currently in the Sustainable Development era. And the first Sustainable Development Goal is also on ending poverty in all its forms. And that gives an indication that currently poverty ranks on top of global development agenda. And poverty issues have been central to the research works I've been doing in the department and in the university. The inaugural lecture is actually a public lecture. Everybody who is interested in the subject is welcomed. I'm going to look at the nexus between poverty and health, and the nexus between poverty and gender, and poverty and rurality. And so those who are working in the field of public health are also invited to be part, because there will be a lot to learn on that subject. We are expecting policymakers, government officials, scholars in the domain of development studies, students as well, and I would say the general public, because when it comes to development, it is everybody's responsibility. Poverty reduction is everybody's business. It is not only the responsibility of government or NGOs. When it comes to poverty, it is a collective responsibility. So I will invite the general public to come on the 19th of February this year for the inaugural lecture, because there will be a lot to learn from that.